Did you know one of the most quake-prone areas in Canada just got hit? Stay tuned for the details. Early Thursday morning, a series of 4 earthquakes, including a significant 6.4 magnitude tremor, shook the region off Vancouver Island. The largest quake hit at 8 a.m. PT, 183 kilometers southwest of Port Alice, BC, at a depth of 10 kilometers. Thankfully, no tsunami or damage is expected, though some residents may have felt the shaking. John Cassidy, a seismologist, described the area as a complicated tectonic setting with 3 major fault systems intersecting. He emphasized that while this sequence doesn't predict a larger quake, it highlights the region's seismic activity. Stay alert, stay informed, and remember we live in one of Canada's most active seismic zones.